The Old Typewriter typeface was designed by Thomas Sokolowski in 1992 for Applied Design Group. This is a perfect font for branding projects, housewares designs, product packaging, or simply as a stylish text overlay on any background image. Thomas Sokolowski founded the Applied Design Group, which specializes in designing innovative and high-value products, in Hanover in 1989. During the 1990s he created many typefaces, some of which are considered to be classics of their time. His typeface designs include ransom note fonts, such as Mystery Mixed, as well as Old Typewriter.